Hi everyone, it's Miss Brake here coming to you from Aquamarine class for this week's virtual merit assembly. As you'll remember, our character skills assembly on Monday was all about the character skill of motivation. So this week, Year 6 have been reflecting on what motivates them. Let's hear what they've got to say.
Motivation is where you try your hardest on whatever you're trying to do and you show resilience and never give up.
Motivation is where people encourage you to keep on going and not slack.
Motivation is like something where you never give up and you try your best.
Motivation is something that keeps you going.
Motivation is when you strive to do your best at something.
Motivation is where you encourage yourself to do things that you wouldn't normally do on a daily basis.
Where you don't give up.
Motivation is where you strive yourself to be the best you can be.
Motivation to me is a passion that drives you towards your goal.
When I go outside at break and lunch and I play football with my friends, I motivate myself to try my hardest and score a bunch of goals and help my teammates out.
My football teammates outside of school motivate me by when we're losing, they make me happy and then we carry on going.
What motivates me is my friends because they're always encouraging me.
Dance because it takes off all the fear and anger inside me.
Playing football with my friends.
My friend because they always say don't give up and always try again if you get wrong.
Art because I really love art and I really want to be an artist when I'm older.
I'm doing the dishwasher because I like it. I like the kitchen being tidy.
Compliments and being confident within yourself.
What motivates me is that when I want to go to my 11 plus, I was practicing more and more. The smiles on people's faces when I complete a goal is the thing that motivates me the most.
Thank you for your reflections, Year 6. Now let's hear it from our friends in the EEC.
Thanks, Miss Hookie. We've also been looking at motivation in the EEC this week, and I've got a few pupils that want to speak to you about that.
Motivation is what drives me to do something. It motivates and inspires me to reach my goals.
To me, motivation is whatever keeps someone inspired to do something, but also have faith in yourself and believing in yourself no matter what. I believe we can achieve anything if we put our minds to it. I went to mainstream, which was a huge achievement for me. I was motivated to work harder and create amazing work. My biggest motivation was my teachers and my friends believing in me. This encouraged me to not give up.
Thank you, EEC, for your reflections. Now let's hand over to Miss Lacker and Miss Green to hear who's got the merits this week.
We've seen some amazing learning this week, and Miss Swire would like to give Stanley and Talon a merit for excellent peer coaching in maths when using column subtraction to find parts of a whole. You showed the character skill of leadership and relationships when explaining your working out and demonstrated fantastic listening skills. Well done, boys.
Miss Ola would like to give a merit to Jack for demonstrating creativity with his story writing. Well done, Jack.
Queen would like to give Hayden Lee a merit for showing the values of resilience and independence when adding numbers to 20. He was able to use different strategies to solve problems and explain his learning.
Miss Ola would also like to give a merit to Leo because he created a brilliant time capsule about his time in lockdown during COVID-19.
Miss Midgley would like to give Harrison a merit for remembering his keywords in literacy and coming up with some great actions and ideas. Harrison, you've really tried hard to read your book using your phonics. Well done.
Miss Parsons would like to give Billy and Sapphire a merit this week for developing the character skill of relationships by sharing his inferences in the reading sessions during their class Zoom call this week. Well done.
Mr Edwards would like to give Harry Hodges a merit for demonstrating the character skill of resilience when multiplying fractions in maths. Well done, Harry.
Miss Whiting would like to give Terry a merit this week for applying a growth mindset and being resilient when she found learning tricky. Well done, Terry.
Miss Parent's merit goes to Amy this week for always demonstrating a growth mindset and challenging yourself. Well done.
Mr. Edwards would also like to give Reese a merit this week for demonstrating the character skill of resilience and motivation when going on a 7-mile bike ride with his family. He has also been doing lots of maths learning at home. Well done, Reese.
Summer has received a merit from Miss Edwards this week for showing the character skill of wonder by asking thoughtful questions and using her imagination in Forest School. Well done, Summer.
Miss Parron would also like to give a merit to Emma, who has been modelling our good to be green behaviours and expectations, as well as keeping us all smiling with her jokes.
Miss Brake's merit this week goes to Lacey for always showing the value of resilience in everything that you do. She always tries her hardest, even when she finds things challenging.
Miss Edwards would like to give Jacob S a merit this week for showing a fantastic growth mindset towards his maths home learning this week. Well done, Jacob.
And a big well done goes to Alfie this week for showing excellence in your English work, and that's from Miss Cook.
Miss Hookie would like to give Talia a merit for showing the value of perseverance in her writing this week. Her reflections of her time in Year 6 have been fantastic. Well done, Talia.
My merit this week goes to Lissy May for demonstrating excellence in her learning when writing her speech in English. Well done, Lissy May, and I look forward to the final outcome.
And finally, this week I have decided to give the merit to Jack Jarvis in Emerald class for showing the value of excellence in all aspects of his learning this week. Well done, Jack.
Well done, guys, and we'll see you next week for some more merits. Bye!
One excellent selection of learning. Well done, everybody who got a merit this week. That's it for this week's assembly, but look out for loads of exciting things that are going to happen in the next couple of weeks, including our virtual learning exhibition, showcasing our learning journeys from this term. Thanks everyone, have a great weekend. Bye!